Little Genius is quietly conquering China's youth smartwatch market. Are you paying attention? One sunny Saturday in Shanghai, a 10-year-old girl, glasses resting on her nose and dressed in a pink t-shirt tucked neatly into a purple skirt, confidently led her parents into a Little Genius store. Heading back to school after summer break, she was set on scoring a new smartwatch and had her heart set on just one brand. We looked at Huawei and Xiaomi models, but my daughter was adamant about choosing Little Genius, her mother shared with the store sales team. Also known as Xiao Kai within China and Emu internationally, Little Genius might sound unfamiliar to most adults who follow the global smartwatch scene dominated by industry heavyweights like Apple, Samsung Electronics, and Garmin. However, in China, this brand has carved out a distinctive niche, propelled by digitally savvy kids and parents, eager for technology tailored specifically to young users as a safe and age-appropriate smartphone substitute. According to Counterpoint Research, in the second quarter of this year, Little Genius climbed to the 4th spot among smartwatch brands worldwide, holding 7% of the global market, leapfrogging Samsung, but still trailing Huawei, Apple, and Xiaomi. When it comes to smartwatches designed specifically for children, however, Little Genius stands untouchable. In the first half of the year, it dominated over 48% of the global market share, almost doubling its 27% share from 2021. This rapid growth signals a strong consumer trust and growing preference for their products. Senior analyst Bai Shenghao from Counterpoint explains, "What makes Little Genius truly stand out is its ability to address parents' fundamental concern, safety. Features like real-time location tracking, voice calls, and video chats give peace of mind. At the same time, it offers kids social capabilities and playful interfaces designed to appeal directly to their interests." But here's where it gets controversial. Is focusing so heavily on safety and social features for kids blurring boundaries between healthy technology use and over-surveillance? Could these smartwatches be training children to be constantly monitored rather than fostering independence? This is the question many parents and experts grapple with. And what do you think? Are Little Genius watches the perfect blend of safety and fun for kids? Or is there a bigger conversation about childhood and technology that we're just beginning to have? Share your thoughts below. Do you agree with the rising popularity of this unique brand? Or see potential pitfalls everyone should consider?